Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel.
And my name is Oren.
We are a Canadian couple living in Japan. So join us on our vacation in Ishigaki Island, Part 2. Hope you will enjoy it. See ya!
Ishigaki in Okinawa Prefecture, highest mountain. Island and the airport is here. Yes, about. And
the current is bringing us inside the cave.
So Sarah and I are going to rent some equipment, snorkeling equipment.
Says that this here is the best spot for snorkeling on the island.
So let's do this, Sarah. Let's go to the jungle, Sarah. Go. Go, Sarah, to the jungle. Was it here? Yes.
You can get parasols.
Cool.
Parasol with 600 yen. とマスクを2つで。
ありがとうございます。Do you want like iced tea?
This.
Oh, they have ice. Okay.
Okay. Corn dog. With the bouquet, and now we can enjoy by ourselves the snorkeling experience.
Yes.
It's happening. Yeah.
So cool.
Of course, it's fun to have the fins.
Yeah, but we just
But
want
it's
to
nice.
explore and
In the shallow area.
yeah, we're not going far away, so.
Oh, the shade is going.
Oh my god.
It's in the trou. going to bring back the gear for snorkeling. They're closing soon at 4. It was so much fun. I'm gonna buy some more water before they close shop. We're here. Some water. Water. 2 waters. すみません、この and leave them. There you go. Just put it in there. Got the water. Cool down. Coucher de soleil.
Good morning, sweetie. The SUP activities start at 10:30, but because of the bus schedule, we arrived way earlier. So we decided, in the meantime, to take a look at the beach nearby, Itona Beach, and it was such a good idea.
There's so many butterflies.
So we are wearing little flowers.
Oh wow. Every place we've visited so far, none is disappointing. Everything is amazing.
We are the only one. It's really hot, yeah.
Where are you from?
Canada.
Canada?
Are you from here?
Yes, I'm local here.
Oh, wow. Could you imagine my man does SUP for the first time and he's already an expert? Just look at him.
biggest one. It's the biggest in Japan. Biggest butterfly in Japan.
This is fresh water.
Ah, fresh water, so this is how it connects to.
That's how it's finished.
Small crowd. They are called Petrov.
Oh, someone.
Yeah.
The little one.
Yeah.
Oh. There's all like little.
Yeah. This is a mother skipper.
Oh.
You can see the small.
Oh.
He went inside.
He went
Oh,
inside.
okay.
Look, do you see like those fish? Sorry?
Yeah, is that a fish
Yeah, that's a fish.
jumping?
Jumping.
Yeah. They are it's called a mother skipper.
It's too small.
Yeah, small one.
So that's a small one?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's heavy. Wow.
It's
Do you want to hold it?
It's like,
Like,
oh wow.
Mangrove crab.
but that's one
Yeah,
is
but
like a
yeah.
small.
It's alive, but it's not delicious.
No.
It's not delicious.
Yeah, it smells like mud.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Look, there's like one. Can you see?
Yeah.
It's really red.
Yeah.
You can catch that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
You have to be fast though.
no, I can't. I'm scared.
Wow.
That's so big.
Oh my
Yeah, big
god.
one.
Wow. So big. Do you want hold it? There you go.
Yes. Oh my god. It's like a rock.
This mounts were made by mountain shrimp.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Wow.
they live in here.
Oh.
So they live in
They are sleeping now.
Oh, so they're sleeping now.
the
Mount, yeah.
mount and also in the water. This is fresh. Oh, wow! She just glided under. Konnichiwa. I don't know how the hell they. It was so nice. Wow, this was so much fun. Visiting the mangrove on a paddleboard.
Thank you so much again. Okay, the guide was nice to bring us to
Yonehara Beach.
and at this beach. And yeah, so we were lucky for this. And also we were like the only one in the tour. We were supposed to be, I think, like 7 or 8 people.
Usually it's like it's like the low season.
So it's the low season. We were like the only 2 in the group.
In the mangrove, we were like only 2 of us. And usually he says there are like 60 people
Yeah.
in the mangrove.
So we had like a private tour. So we are going to snorkeling
Yeah, but at the beach.
at the
there.
beach. That was like fine. はい、ありがとうございます。Don't forget to touch the plane. ありがとうございます。I didn't want to finish the video here, but we also went to Animal Kingdom in Kobe to pet some capybara. See you next time. Bye!